ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಸಿಬಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಸ್ಟೈನೇಬಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 20 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಒಂದು ದಿನದ ಹವಾಮಾನದ ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಶೃಂಗಸಭೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಾಜಭವನ ರಸ್ತೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಆರ್ ಸಿಎಸ್ಟಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಲವಾರು ಗಣ್ಯರು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು.
Summit, which is a symbol of hope, brings together a diverse assembly of minds, each committed to driving sustainable solutions and shaping a greener future. This is not just a gathering, it is an appeal call to action. It's a platform to unite diverse voices, share innovative solutions, and forge partnerships that can accelerate the transition to a sustainable future. It is with immense pleasure and honor that we welcome our esteemed guest whose presence graces this occasion and elevates its significance. Let us now fund a cleaner production program for Government of Karnataka. He has vast experience in industry on working with compliance-related matters. He successfully led the first and second edition of the Corporate Sustainability Program under the Center for Sustainability Development. He has completed his doctoral studies in environmental law from the National Law School of India, Bangalore. He also holds a master's degree in business administration, MBA, and PG diploma in environmental law. Now, climate change crisis by watering the sapling. Now,
Center for Sustainable Development. Every year, even last year, they organized a very successful meeting. And again, this year, on focus on climate change. I really compliment him. And I'm also glad to see a lot of young people here who are listening to all the discussions and talks here. Because climate change is all about future. We when we say as scientists climate change, we talk about 2030s, 2040s, 2050s, 2100 and all that. Because we have to look into the future and see what climate force for us. So given that, I'm glad to see so many young people here. And Dr. Srinivas has already given a very interesting exposition of all the challenges that climate change poses for society and natural ecosystems. So I will go through as a professor, I will show some slides and try to explain why climate change is already here. Yeah, he already explained what climate emergency is. I will only say that climate change emergency framework shifts future risk to current risk. When we say, as I mentioned, climate change, we only talk about future, 2040s, 2050s, what will the rainfall, what's the flood frequency, how drought will occur. We never say climate change in 2025 or 26 or 28. We always talk in terms of decades. So normally we expect all the models show climate will impact various aspects of society and nature, next 20 years, 30 years, or 50 years. But now, continuously increasing. Today it's 420 parts per billion, which used to be, when I was in school, it used to be 280, 290. Now it has reached 420 parts per billion. That means it has already crossed. The world has never seen 400 parts per billion concentration of CO2. And if you look at the global mean temperature, left graph, it's continuously increasing. When we say global warming, the world has warmed to 1.5 degree. We compare the current year's temperature with the mean of 1850 to 1900, because scientists have been monitoring global temperature for more than 150 years.
Also, I thank to all
ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.